Hi, what's up, Kishu inu coin holder? What's going on this time? The Kishu inu condition is very critical now, but don't worry, my friend. Absolutely everything is going very good now, because my friend, the profit, as you can see, at 0.37%, the price is increasing in last 24 hours. But I think, my friend, you can see the condition is something going very badly wrong, because my friend, everybody knows this, to after a huge pump, every coin will fails down. So therefore, my friend, as you can see here, this is the Kishu inu live chart, my friend. The price is fades down, so don't worry, my friend. Absolutely, they were phased down for a short time. I hope, my friends, they will recover this all loss just and only in one day. But don't worry, my friend, if they were phased down also, because in last 10 days of every month, every coin will moving upward. So if they were phased down for one day, for 2 days, so don't worry, my friend. I hope they will recover this loss and they will again get a profit. But my friend, in upcoming days, the very huge explosion is coming soon, and everybody want, my friends, to understand this, to in upcoming days, when and how much, my friend. So it's a chance, my friends, so they will hit now 0.501 USD dollar. But my friend, this is possible at the end of this month. Yes, my friend, at the end of this month, because this coin, the CEO of Kisho inu, my friend, personally trade now to, we are going to collaborate with companies. So therefore, if they will collaborate with companies, I don't know to which companies, but if they will collaborate with companies, I am 100% sure, my friends, to the market cap is increasing. And when a market cap is increasing, then remember, my brothers, to Kisho inu price will go to completely 0.501 USD dollar. This is the very huge profit time, my friend. Kindly holders, hold down and don't starting selling. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.